Hi, let's read this book, Super Soft Farm Animals. Can you see an animal here? Which animal is this? This is a moo. Moo is cow. This is a cow. Can you feel the animal is very soft? See. Soft. Softy. It's very soft. Let's start reading. In the farmyard. What can you see in the farmyard? Tractor. And what's here? Sheep. This is sheep. Do you know the name of this bird? This is a pigeon. Hi, pigeon. Say hi to pigeon. Hi, pigeon. Hi. And what is this on the next page? This is a pig. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. And a sheepdog. Let's feel this sheepdog. This is a soft sheepdog. Look. Let's see what's on next page. In the barn. What can you see in the barn? Let's find together. On the top you can see one mouse sitting here, and an owl, and a hen. What can you see? This is a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. And turkeys. There are 2 turkeys. And little chicks. These yellow little chicks. Look. Can you see them? Good. You can see all these things in the barn. Let's see what is next. In the field. What can you see in the field? Let's find together. You can see some cows. Moo moo, moo moo, moo moo, moo moo. And some goats. And some butterflies. And bees. These are in the field. What is next? In the stable. What do you find in the stable? Horsey, yes, this is a horse. And a foal. And a cat. And a donkey. How many horses you can see in the stable? There are 2 horses. This one and that one. Let's see who is by the pond. I can find a big duck. And swans. These are swans. Fish, goose, frog, and a dragonfly. Can you see one swan flying here in the sky? Yes. How many swans are there? 1, 2, and 3. And how many ducks? 1, 2, 3 ducks. And a frog. Let's feel them now. This is a cow, very soft. This is a sheepdog, really very soft. This is a hen, it's so shiny. And a horsey is so soft. And the duck is so shiny. Moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald heard her farm. E-I-E-I-O. Bye for now.